Hey there, beautiful souls. I'm Samira and welcome to Crystal Crafts. Today we are making the most adorable birthday card that will make anyone smile. This is super easy, beginner friendly, and you probably have all the supplies at home already. Trust me, this one's a keeper. So grab your paper and glue and let's create some handmade magic together. So first we're going to take a green colored cardstock which measures 8.5 by 11 inches, and I'm going to score at 4.25, and then I'll be folding this into half. If you trim this along the center, we'll have two card bases. So we'll take one of the card base. Next, we're going to do some stamping. So for that, I'm using a 300 DSM white colored cardstock, and I'll also be using some distress inks and this Altino stamp set. So this is a layering stamp set, so it has all the layering instructions on the back. To make my stamping easier, I'll be using this stamping platform. So I'll cut the cardstock of the size of the stamping platform and place it inside it. So now we'll be building layers for this beautiful tulip flower. So here I'm going to take the base layer first, and I'm going to take the distress ink worn lipstick and apply it on the base layer and stamp it. If it doesn't come out best in the first time, we can redo it, and that's the best part about a stamping platform. Here you can see me doing it a couple of times so that I get a perfect image. So next we're going to take the second layer and place it over the first layer, pick it up with the stamping platform and ink that up and stamp it. For my second layer, I'm inking it up with abandoned coral distress ink. So here you can see our beautiful layers building up. So now we'll move to the third layer. So for my third layer, I'm going to use an alcohol marker in the dark pink shade. So I'll apply the ink generously over the third layer. I'm tilting at an angle to do so that it inks up well. And now I'll be stamping the third layer. So here's our beautiful tulip. Now we'll stamp two more in the similar way. So next we're going to take the stem stamp and we're going to place it underneath the flower. So for this I'm going to use cracked pistachio distress ink. We're going to stamp the other two stems as well. Now to build the leaves, we're going to take the base of the stamps first, and now we're going to use this cracked pistachio color again for the leaves. Now for the second layer of the leaves, I'm going to stamp this in the color dark green. which is an alcohol marker ink. Here you can see our beautiful leaf forming up. Finally, for the sentiment, I'm going to use this happy birthday sentiment from the set. I'll be using Mermaid Lagoon ink for this. So now we're going to fussy cut out all the flower parts from the cardstock. Now we'll assemble the card together. So for the mat of the card, I'm going to use this pretty yellow color. To stick the flowers to the card, I'm going to use some foam tape. So here I'm arranging the flowers so that it looks pretty. Finally, we'll position the sentiment happy birthday in the center of the flowers. So now we'll add some bling to the flowers. So here I'm going to use the Dress My Craft rainbow glitter and the art glitter glue. So I'll be randomly placing the glue here and there. Now we'll sprinkle the glitter over the flowers and dust it off. This glue dries clear, so it'll take a little time to dry. Meanwhile, I'll decorate the border of the card with some pearls. So if you like the video so far, you can click the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video. Next here, I'll be taking some Dress My Craft motifs. So here I'll be cutting a butterfly out of this motif. I'll stick it at the base of the flowers. So next, for the inside of the card, I'm going to use this Dress My Craft pattern paper pack. So I'll be using this one, the light green one, for the inside of the card and stick it. So here's our beautiful card completed. It's looking really awesome, and you can gift it to your loved ones on their special day. You can write your heartfelt message inside the card. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please share your thoughts below in the comments, and also like and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss a video. I'll see you again soon in my next video. Bye for now.